Hello everyone, this is Brad here, and I'm trying out this Snickers Brownie Blizzard. It's a Snickers candy bar and a brownie included, and this is what it looks like here. I'm going to see how good this is. With Dairy Queen's ice cream. This is typical Snickers flavor, and brownie is in that Blizzard. I'm going to rate that as 7. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like. Comment on this video or any other videos I posted. And subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Da 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 da.